One popular method of testing your knowledge on conditional probability on the ACT is to use a two-way table. One of the best ways to learn about two-way tables and conditional probability is simply to do an example. 100 people were surveyed about their preference for strawberry rhubarb pie or peach pie. The two-way table below displays the data for the people who responded to the survey. In this survey are the events male and peach, mutually exclusive. Well, to answer that, we simply need to look, well, if you are male and you preferred peach, well, there's 19 people who were both male and preferred peach, so no, they are not mutually exclusive, because you can be both male and prefer peach. So that's a pretty easy question about mutual exclusivity. Find the probability that a randomly selected person who participated in the survey was male or preferred strawberry rhubarb. So to do this, we should do the probability that they are male plus the probability that they preferred strawberry rhubarb minus the probability that they're male and preferred strawberry rhubarb. So the probability that they are male, well, we have 56 out of 100. So that is 0.56 plus the probability that they preferred strawberry rhubarb, which is 45 out of 100, so 0.45. And then minus the probability that they're male and preferred strawberry rhubarb. So that is 30 out of 100, so 0.3. So that should equal 0.56 plus 0.45 minus 0.3. So that should give us 0.71. So 71% is the probability that a person was either male or preferred strawberry rhubarb. Find the probability that a randomly selected person who participated in the survey was female and preferred peach. So we go through the table. Female and preferred peach, well, that's 21. So that is just 21 out of the total, 21 out of 100. So that'll be 0.21. And lastly, given that a survey participant was male, find the probability that he had no preference. Okay, so now we are just focused on the probability that somebody is male. So the total number of male participants was 56, and the probability that he had no preference given that he's male should be 7 over 56. And if we want to give that as a decimal, that gives us 0.125.